Hi, my name is Ramasu, and welcome to my presentation on question 2 from the 2008 BGCSE Science Double Award Paper 2. The question says, Tseho couldn't manage to open a cold, tightly closed glass bottle. She put the metal lid of the bottle in hot water. The lid of the bottle then opened easily. Part A says, why should Tseho not put the whole bottle into the water? Well, the glass bottle will break. The glass bottle will break. Right? Why? Because, well, you have a, say this is the bottle, right? Let's say this is the bottle. And the bottle contains a cold. Yeah, the bottle was cold, so let's assume that it has some cold water or a cold liquid in here, right? So the bottle contains cold water, and then if you put the bottle in hot water, it would mean that the outside surface of the bottle is in contact with the hot water. So the outside surface is expanding, while the inside surface, which is in contact with the cold water, is contracting. Yeah. So the outside is expanding and the inside is contracting. So then, because glass is brittle, it ends up breaking. Right. So the explanation is that the outside surface, expands when in contact with hot water. And the inner surface contract because it is cold. Right? So then the glass bottle breaks because glass is brittle. This wouldn't happen with if the bottle was made from metal, because metal is not brittle. Then it won't break if you put a cold metal in hot water. Okay, part B says explain why it was easier to open the lid of the glass bottle after putting the lid into hot water. Well, when you put the lid in hot water, the lid expands. And so the lid expands, and so it loosens. It loosens and becomes easier to open. Okay, so that's the end of the video. My name is Ramasu. You can find me on Facebook or you can follow my Facebook page, BGCSE tutorial videos, if you need more videos or if you need help. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.